Okay. So, good morning to all the participants and all the guests present here this day. I, Dr. Piyush Charan, Associate Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, take the privilege of welcoming all the participants to the international webinar on embedded ML on edge devices running in stealth mode. It is indeed a pleasure to be a part of this event as an organizer for the event. I welcome Professor Shruti Vashisht, Dean of Engineering of Manav Rachna University, Faridabad, and Professor Charu Pathak, the Head of Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Manav Rachna University, to be our special guests for gracing the event with their auspicious presence. Professor Vashisht has a vast academic experience and have published research papers in journal of repute in the field of wireless communications and wireless sensor networks. Due to her vast experience, commitment, and dedicated work style, she is holding additional charge as the Dean of Academics at Manav Rachna University. She is a decorated academician. On the other hand, we have Professor Charu Pathak, who has been an extremely motivating and generous leader to all the staff members and students. Professor Pathak has more than 21 years of academic experience, and her research interest is in the area of signal processing, image processing, and etc. With these words, I would like to invite Professor Vashisht to address the audience and officially inaugurate the departmental YouTube channel. Ma'am.
I once again welcome Rohit sir and good morning to all the students and faculty members who have joined us today. And I'm sure that this session would be imparting great knowledge about ML, because see, the concept is that for being from electronics and communication domain, we always think that this AI and ML is always related to the computers domain and not from the electronic side. But today I'm sure with the help of the session that we'll be having here today, we will get to know how we are going to embed, what kind of technologies we can use so that we are able to club in ML technologies in your embedded systems and as electronics as a whole. Now about the session, Dr. Piyush will give you the details. I'll just share a brief about Manav Rachna University, what Manav Rachna University is all about. So basically, Manav Rachna Educational Institutions has got 3 higher educational institutions, that Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies, we have Manav Rachna University, then we have Manav Rachna Dental College, and number of schools under its umbrella. And Manav Rachna University is a leading state private university, that's a NAAC-A accredited institution, and among top 2 emerging engineering institutions of India, which has been ranked number 1 engineering institution in India for research capability and placements. We do have our strong placement cell, which always supports students for placements in top emerging industries. So that support is being provided by our CRC cell. And Manav Rachna is also ranked as best knowledge creation and innovation universities. So we do believe that as the technology is changing, it is very important to bridge the gap between academia and industry. And we do have knowledge partners. In electronics department, we have knowledge partners as TrueChip, because we know that VLSI area is coming up like anything. So because of the help and support from the knowledge partners, the syllabus and schemes for the students are developed gradually. And therefore, they are there to support us in guiding how to go about the syllabus, how to go about the scheme, so that we are not lagging behind what the industry needs. Because initially what the concept was that the department used to work solo. Each and every individual department works in solo and design our own curriculum and syllabus, and we do not know what's going around in the industry. But with the help of support of industry, we do know that what is the requirement of the industry, so that once the student gets placed, the industry person need not invest more time in training that person. So that's the philosophy behind having these knowledge partners with us. So with these words, I would like Dr. Piyush to carry on, and I hope we'll have a wonderful session, Dr. Rohit. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for your words of wisdom. Now, I would like to invite Professor Charu to address the audience.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the session, and thanks, Dr. Piyush, for organizing this, taking wonderful in and Rohit to be a part of, our initiatives regarding education, whether, giving exposure to our students. And Professor Shruti has already, highlighted the main points of the university. Other than that, I will just like to take just highlight few points regarding our education system at our department. The important thing that we have just initiated in last 1 or 2 years is that we have moved from the traditional teaching pedagogy to the project based learning system, and which has been extremely useful in imparting students knowledge which is actually a combination of number of streams like mechanical, computer science, and electronics, because future lies actually in combining all the three together as we are advancing towards automation, AI, and everything. So a student needs to have knowledge of all the streams together. And then other than that, the university and the department have been very much supportive in promoting students to have their startups, file patents, and promoting research. Other than curricular activities, we have been promoting students to participate in extracurricular activities like sports and fests at other institutes. And the students have been taking up, they have been winning medals at other universities at international levels, Microsoft Imagine Cup, and various other internationally hackathon and internationally recognized competitions. So I think that is we are also open to more. We as Professor Shruti already mentioned, that we have collaborations with industry, and we are open to more academic and industry collaborations which can bring our students more closer to industry and the upcoming technologies. So I think that's all from my side. Thank you so much.